Hi. Welcome to Content Writing 101. Fundamentals of Written Content Creation. Written content is the foundation of digital communication. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media captions, website copy, or marketing emails, mastering effective writing techniques is essential for a content creator. This class will teach you 1. The different types of written content and their purposes. 2. The AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action, framework for structured writing. 3. Copywriting techniques to write persuasively and influence readers. 4. The basics of SEO, search engine optimization, writing to increase visibility. 5. Hands-on task, writing both short-form and long-form content. Introduction to the different types of written content. There are various types of written content, each serving a unique purpose and audience. Below are the most common formats. Blog posts and articles. Purpose: inform, educate, or entertain readers on a specific topic. Example: a blog post titled 10 Ways to Improve Your Productivity. Best practices: use headings and subheadings for readability. Provide valuable insights, not just opinions. Keep paragraphs short and engaging. B. Social media content. Purpose: capture attention quickly and drive engagement. Example: a LinkedIn post about how to use storytelling in marketing. Best practices: use hooks to grab attention, e.g., did you know 80% of people skim content? Keep posts short, relatable, and visually appealing. Include hashtags, emojis, and strong CTAs. See website copy, landing pages, about pages, etc. Purpose: persuade visitors to take action, buy, subscribe, sign up. Example: a sales page for an online course. Best practices: focus on clarity and benefits. Use persuasive language and testimonials. Keep sentences short and direct. D. Email newsletters and marketing emails. Purpose: build relationships and encourage conversions. Example: an email with the subject line: exclusive 24-hour discount, grab your spot now. Best practices: use personalization, hey, name. Create a sense of urgency, e.g., limited spots available. Keep emails concise and action-oriented. E. Copywriting, persuasive sales writing. Purpose: convince people to take immediate action, buy, click, subscribe. Example: a Facebook ad that reads, struggling with content creation? Get our free guide today. Best practices: use strong calls to action, CTAs. Address pain points and solutions. Keep sentences clear and impactful. The AIDA Writing Framework. The AIDA model is a structured approach for writing persuasive content. A. Attention. Start with a powerful hook, question, statistic, or statement. Example: did you know that 80% of online content goes unread? I. Interest. Provide valuable information or an engaging story. Example: with the right strategy, you can make your content stand out. D. Desire. Show why your solution is valuable. Example: our guide has helped 500+ businesses increase engagement. A. Action. Tell the reader what to do next, CTA. Example: download your free copy now. Pro tip: use AIDA in sales pages, ads, social media captions, and email marketing. How to write persuasively, copywriting techniques. Persuasive writing is a skill that influences readers to take action. Below are key techniques. A. Understand your audience. Research their pain points and desires. Use words that resonate with them. B. Use emotional triggers. Appeal to fear, excitement, or curiosity. Example: are you making these 3 content marketing mistakes? C. Keep it simple and clear. Avoid complicated words. Write in short, direct sentences. D. Create a sense of urgency. Use phrases like limited offer or only a few spots left. Example, sign up before midnight to get 50% off. Add social proof. Testimonials, case studies, and user reviews increase trust. Example. Join 10,000 plus happy subscribers today. Pro tip, every sentence should have a purpose, either to engage, inform, or persuade. Understanding SEO, search engine optimization, writing. SEO writing ensures your content ranks on Google, making it easier for people to find. What is SEO? SEO, search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing content so it appears higher in search results. SEO writing best practices. 1. Keyword research. Use relevant keywords in your title, headings, and body. Example, if writing about content marketing, include phrases like best content marketing strategies. 2. Optimized headings and subheadings. Use H1, H2, and H3 tags correctly. Example, H1 equals best social media strategies for 2024. 3. Readability and structure. Keep paragraphs short, 2 to 3 sentences max. Use bullet points and images for better engagement. 4. Internal and external links. Link to related blog posts on your website, internal linking. Reference trusted sources to boost credibility, external linking. Pro tip, good SEO writing is about providing value, not just stuffing keywords. Hands-on task, writing short-form versus long-form content. Now, it's time to apply what you've learned. Task. Write a short-form post, under 200 words, for LinkedIn promoting a new product. Write a long-form blog post, at least 600 words, explaining the importance of storytelling in marketing. Goal: learn how to adjust writing style based on content length and platform. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.